Hello friends, my name is Tawfiq and you're watching my channel Graphics 10. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can use text wrap option in Adobe Illustrator. Now, this option is very easy to use, but interestingly, so many people don't know that this tool exists in Adobe Illustrator. So let's get started. So first of all, this particular option is used especially in magazine designs, magazine layout designs or book layout design, to give a very interesting effect. So for that I'm going to create a rectangle so that we will get a feel of a page design or a page layout design. I'm going to change the color, so I will give this soft color, maybe slightly lighter color. This one looks okay to me. Now I'm going to lock this particular object so that it doesn't move. So from layers I will lock this and I will put this particular layer, or I can simply right click and arrange, bring to front. So this is above the rectangle itself. And remember, to get this effect we need a image with a transparent background, something like this. If this image has background, then it won't look good or it won't work. So find an image with transparent background, just like this one. Now I'm going to draw some text using the type tool, and instead of drawing normal text, I'm going to create a paragraph. Simply draw a rectangle, so it will create a paragraph. Now it will add some dummy text, that doesn't really matter. Again I need to bring this to front, so again right click, bring to front. Now as you can see, I will zoom it slightly. The text is below this image. Now select both text and the image and go to object and go to text wrap and simply use make option to create a text wrap, and we will see the text wrap option later. So first make and press OK. So this is how it looks. I will zoom it slightly. So this is how it looks. As you can see, the text is moving along with the image. So this is called as text wrap, and you may have seen this effect in magazines mostly, or maybe some book. So this is called the text wrap option. As we move the image, the text also moves. Now if you want to increase this space over here, we can change that using the text wrap option and the text wrap, this thing, text wrap option, and check the preview option so that we can see that or check the value in real time. And we are not going to use this invert wrap option. Now if you increase the value, as you can see, the spacing also increases or changes. If you decrease, then the spacing will decrease. So it is as simple as this. And if you don't want this effect, you can simply go to object, text wrap, and release. So it will get us the normal position of the image. So I will press undo, again undo. So this is the text wrap option in Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, this is very easy to use, but the thing is many people don't know that this one is here in Adobe Illustrator. So if you don't know about this, use this. It looks pretty good while designing layout, magazine layouts and book layouts. So give it a go and let me know in the comment section. So that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.